Welcome back to the backwoods backyard. I've been told y'all want to see some more cooking videos, so stick with what I do best, stop fishing and hunting. Stick with the cooking. So I got some catfish we've been catching. I'm going to try a new dish, I'm not sure. Just kind of inventing it as I go. I'm going to smother down some catfish and some onions. And throw a little seasoning on it. Call it good. I'm going to start off by chopping up an onion. Fire on, put some cooking oil in it. I'm going to saute this onion down. Let's make that 2 onions. Put a little garlic in it. Put some Tonys in it. That'll add a lot of salt. With some Cajun injector, that'll add more pepper to it. Doesn't have as much salt as Tony's. Now I think I'm going to throw some butter in it. Throw a stick of butter. Get burned out on fried fish. We'll try something different every now and then. Mix it up. And since this is a last minute, make it up as I go, I'm going to put some green onions in. But all I got is some dehydrated green onions. That maybe half a cup, I guess. Get all cooked now. And we're going to prepare our fish with some lemon pepper. Just hit up both sides of it. Turn our fire all the way low. Set our fish in. They're starting to get white around the edges. Try and flip them over. Very delicately. Oh, they want to fall apart. God dog it. I guess that went about 7 or 8 minutes on that one side on a low fire. Now that is done. I'll go ahead and scoop them out. I got some more catfish to put in. Cook those too. Put these in the pan, platter. Try and leave the onions in. Try and keep all the thick ones together and all the thin ones together so they cook about the same time. Let's go ahead and give this contraption a taste. Pretty good. I think I need a little more spice, a little more Cajun shake. Not much. Put a little bit here too. Let's try that out. Yeah. That'll work. Very good. It's a good alternative to fried fish. You get burnt out on fried food. It's a good little meal. I like it. Well, thank y'all for joining me. We will do this again. Came out pretty good. I like it. So y'all go ahead and like it, subscribe, try it out at home. Tell me what y'all think. I think y'all enjoy it. See y'all next time. I got more catfish to catch.